Hello all and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the new videos. So let's continue where we left off this fall with the SL project. So finally they have arrived. After waiting 4 months for our own designed CKM wheels, we can now go down and get some rubber on them and put them on the cars. So the wheels are installed. But what the hell were they thinking here? It's a joke. So let's install some lowering springs from H&R. And I cannot find any information at all of this being done on the internet. So I'll guess I'll be the first. And to get to these rear struts, you have to go through the trunk. And to get to them, everything needs to come out. Not happy about this. So we'll start by removing this one, and then we will have to remove the sidewalls. And to remove the sidewalls, we have to remove all this as well. So to remove this one, you just unclick these like that, and then you go down here and do this one and this one, and then you just take it out. Like that. So I actually put this one up this way. It's way easier to get here. And now you can see I have removed the sidewall. And here they are. And don't forget to remove the cable to the strut here, like that. Or the vacuum line if you have the ABC system. It's the same thing. Remove that from here. And down here I loosen 3 bolts. This one, and this one. And then I'll just take out the spring. So in front we loosen this one, and we loosen the one to the chock, and then we'll just take the chock out after we loosen it up in the engine room. And it's out. I had to loosen the sway bar as well here to get this down and out. 17mm. As you can see, there's a big difference. So now we are replacing the miles per hour cluster to the kilometers per hour cluster, and while we're at it we will add the facelift version of the cluster as well. And what we first do now is to grab all the information from the old cluster so we can transfer that over to the new one so that it is plug and play with the new. And this one, you just loosen up these bottom screws here, pry it out, take out the cable here. Now we install the new facelift one. And you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you.